Let's talk currency pairs. Currencies are traded in pairs. The first currency of a pair is called the base currency, and the second currency is called the quote pair. For example, EUR, which is euro, is the base currency. Then USD, which is dollar, is called the quote currency. So always know that currencies are traded in pairs. You trade one currency for another. There are three major types of currency pairs. The very first one is major pairs. These are the most traded currencies and they are paid with the dollar. For example, GBP USD, which is pound dollar, euro dollar, USD CAD is Canadian dollar, AUD USD, AUD is Australian dollar and US dollar. Then NZD USD. NZD is the New Zealand dollar and the US dollar. Next is the cross pairs. These are non-USD currency pairs. For example, pound versus the Japanese yen, which is GBP JPY, euro versus the Japanese yen, Australian dollar versus the Japanese yen, Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen, New Zealand dollar versus the Japanese yen. Currencies like this are called the cross pairs. Next is the exotic pairs. These are currencies of developing countries paid with the US dollar. For example, USD ZAR. ZAR is the currency for South Africa. The currency name is South African Rand. So USD is US dollar, then ZAR is the South African Rand. Another example is the USD TRY. TRY is Turkish Lira. That is the currency for Turkey. Another example is USD MXN. MXN there is the Mexican peso. These are examples of exotic pairs. There are a whole lot of them, but these are the major examples. Like I said earlier, the forex market is open 24 hours a day and 5 days a week, having 3 trading sessions, which are the London session, the New York session, and also the Asian session. The Asian session includes the Tokyo and the Sydney session. The most traded sessions in the market is the overlap of the London session and the New York session.